Well, I had this spur of the moment idea to go out in the rain here. And we haven't actually got any rain in several weeks, and it's pretty much saving us from the hazardous air quality that we've been experiencing all week due to the wildfires. But this is, although I don't really like the rain that much, this is like excuse me, a lifesaver. And today is, what are we today? I believe it's the 9th of June, 2023, Friday morning. Why does it smell like crap here? Anyway, we're gonna go to Yorkdale. So I thought I would pull off an old style video and just film with my phone here because it's raining. Not gonna lie, I only woke up like over an hour ago, so sorry if I sound a bit tired. And yes, this is filming in 60 frames per second. It's a lot smoother than 30 frames, you know? I mean, I filmed like rain walking videos before, but it's not really that good for the digital camera. Actually, we did get rain like on and off yesterday, but it's only gonna be like raining for excuse me, half a day. Anyway, the only reason why I'm out right now and on this Friday morning is because they are testing the annoying fire alarm at my building, and the noise bothers me, so I think I just missed my chariots. I think I heard it go by. Or no, that's the southbound train. Or maybe the northbound came at the same time. Oh, there's a squirrel on the hydro line, like always. This is Allen Road. And yes, the subway runs directly in the median. Excuse me, guys. Mind me, I am just recovering from a cold. Actually, I'm a lot better, but I just woke up coughing. I wasn't sure where to go this morning, but I want to go somewhere closer, so Yorkdale it is. Oh, my phone is friggin' wet. Station opened in 1978 on the Young University Spadina line, what us locals call it Line 1. Well, it's always been this way since like the mid-2010s. I think I did see the northbound train coming. Yep, I hear it now. Ugh. So we are here, and we're gonna go 2 stops. Also want to get more like transit rides content in. I left my digital camera back home because it's charging. And, you know, as I mentioned, it's not really that good to bring the digital camera out in this type of weather. Damn lens is so wet.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Next station is Lawrence West.
Next station is Lawrence West. Lawrence West Station.
Let me just wipe the lens here because it is fucked up. Oh, now it's blurry. It's like you guys are like blind or something. Oh, there's a train in front of us.
Arriving at Lawrence
Oh
West.
shit, I forgot. We're gonna be going slow as a snail again. They were doing, I believe they were doing like track maintenance work from this point up until like short of a station, but I think they moved it up closer to Yorkdale. So we're gonna be going slow as hell. Just before we hit Yorkdale.
Line 1, northbound. Please stand clear to the west.
And this is flight number 5721. Hard to believe that these trains are nearly, actually they're already 12 years old now.
Next station is Yorkdale.
When they first hit the tracks, I was like 7. Lawrence Allen Center used to be Lawrence Square. I only go there to get groceries from Fortino's. Other than that, it's a pretty boring mall. And that used to be a Hudson's Bay building. Now it's for lease, as you guys can see. Anyway, let me know, guys, if you want me to do like more videos like this on my phone and I give you guys narration. Normally I don't like talk in those ride videos, but you know, I only got my phone with me to film and not the digital camera, so. Or we're not going slow as a snail. I think that's between Yorkdale and Wilson. Because I swear I saw the train in front of us going like a bit slow. Okay, now we're slowing down a little bit.
Arriving at Yorkdale station. Doors to open on the left.
I need to wipe the side of my phone because it's filled with raindrops. I think for Friday morning it shouldn't be that busy because I think the mall is just opening up for the day.
Line 1, northbound.
I don't know why they still haven't removed all this construction hoarding. Oh yeah, this used to be like typical escalators, and that's when they were this was before this elevator was even installed. I already filmed a video on it, so we're not gonna do that. To get to the mall though, you have to take a pedestrian bridge. But for anybody with like heavy items or rather like wheelchairs, strollers, then they gotta do the hard way and go out through those sliding doors, and they gotta cross at the intersection. Then the entrance to the mall is right there. As I mentioned before in a lot of my walking and a lot of my other videos, I don't film in malls anymore because first of all, it's freaking sketchy when you're doing that. And technically you're on private property and then security's gonna be on you. And second, people are gonna give you shit, so like actual like shoppers and stuff. And Nordstrom is closing very soon. It's closing all of its Canadian stores. And welcome to Yorkdale, owned by Oxford Properties. And the commuter bus terminal is on the left here. You can catch GO buses to like other parts of the city and the outer regions of the GTA. And you can also catch Ontario Northland buses. I'll take you to the northern part of the province. Yeah, I haven't done this in a while. Maybe if this goes well, I'll probably do one at the Inn Center. But also, as I mentioned, it's not busy on a Friday morning, so this is like a good opportunity. And as I mentioned, it's like spur of the moment. Craig's cookies, it's hella expensive, but I had one of theirs before. It's quite good. As I mentioned, this mall has changed a lot over the decades. Like this new expansion here it opened in 2016 or 2015. And this here all used to be like a parking deck of some sorts. I mean, I've been going to this mall like since I was like very little, so I still remember when they used to be like old glass elevators scattered around. But this is like a high-end shopping mall, so I don't know when I'm gonna end this video. Maybe we'll keep going until we hit the maybe like outside the Sport Check. Oh damn, it's closing in 4 days. I don't really care because I never like Nordstrom anyway. It's so fancy in there. Though I did still the elevators, but that's the only like part of Nordstrom I like is the elevators there. Like when I woke up this morning, I had no idea I was gonna be here. And I might not even be here for an hour because typically they do like the fire alarm testing for like an hour to two, and then I'm gonna head back for lunch and I might go back out again. Probably like this time to, I don't know, Yonge and Eglinton. I mean, I'm not venturing out far at all today. Keep going all the way down, you'll find yourselves at the Bay, Hudson's Bay store. And also, Canada's one and only Cheesecake Factory location, which I've been to once. Last time was in the summer when I went with my mom and grandma. Actually, I think it was my grandma that was taking us out for that. And it is Pride Month, so that's why the rainbow colors are really out already. Again, happy Pride to anybody that celebrates or identifies himself as part of the LGBT community. Whoa, look at this. I love this. Oh, that's a way to celebrate Pride Month, eh? Let's get a good shot here. I love this. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, to anybody of my viewers that identify themselves as part of the that culture, this is for you. Everybody really should be accepted. And I definitely love the colors, even though I don't identify myself as that, but you know, I was at Scarborough Town Center last week. They had the exact same thing. And while the sign literally says "Do not sit or stand on the Pride Heart," a little girl was doing that. Cineplex is up there. And Sport Check, they used to be, well, the Sport Check used to be like only downstairs. But of course, renovations brought it up here. And let's take a ride on my childhood elevator up to the second floor and end things off. This is a Fujitech. And they froze the glass like years ago. So it's not like what it used to be. Close, close, close. There we go. Yeah, I used to ride up and down in this elevator a lot. Why aren't we going? There, that just took a while. Too early for the movies to be open. That used to be an entrance to the Indigo, but closed, probably permanently. I remember when there used to be an entrance to the old parking deck behind here. And there we go, a last minute video on the subway and walking around Yorkdale Mall. So guys, I'm not gonna spin around and show my face because it looked kind of terrible, but thanks you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And enjoy your Friday, and a happy Pride Month to all. Peace out.